Blender tips and tricks regarding group selection. So we have this case study over here with a plane and multiple Cybertrucks, and within the scene collection we have this Tesla Cybertruck collection. Let's take a look at the components within that. So we see that we have the first element, cube 001. If I'm gonna press numpad period, we're gonna see that this element will be the hood of the truck, which is positioned on the bottom plane over here on the grid, and all the way up to, for example, 23. All those cubes will define the first Cybertruck over here. If I'm gonna select the following one, and I will press numpad period in order to have that frame within the viewport, we're gonna see that this will be from the next Cybertruck that was copied and positioned within the plane. So let's take a look at how we can use the group selection in order to make our life easier over here. So I can select any parts, for example, maybe this rear part from that model. I can press Shift+G. This will be select grouped, and over here we should go with siblings because all of those have been copied. So Shift+G and select all the siblings. And as you can see, we're gonna have all those components selected. Now we can grab them, we can move them, or we can hide them. We can make use of the H hotkey in order to have those hidden. Now, there is also the possibility to select all the elements within a sub-collection without using group selection. I can select the first element over here, and afterwards I will go all the way to the end of that collection. As you can see, this part is not that user-friendly because depending on the components that are added over there, you can have multiple components. So I'm still within that same. I will select everything all the way over here. So when you do this selection, you need to hold down Shift key. I can go from the last one. For example, this is the last one. I will scroll all the way up. As you can see, this should appear over here. And now if I will hold down Shift, I can select all those elements. And again, I have the possibility to grab them or hide them. Okay, so I hope that you find this Blender tips and tricks video useful. If so, I will position a similar video over here to the left and a subscribe button to the right. So, thanks for watching.